Welcome to the world of computer science and engineering. If you are looking to start your career in this exciting field, you have come to the right place. With the increasing demand for technology and digital transformation, there are countless opportunities to explore. Let's take a look at the various career paths you can choose from after completing your computer science and engineering degree. 1. Software development. Software development is one of the most popular career paths. As a software developer, you will be responsible for developing and testing software applications and systems. Whether you are working on desktop applications, mobile apps, or web-based systems, you will be at the forefront of software innovation. 2. Data science and analytics. Data science and analytics is another growing field. In this role, you will be collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to extract meaningful insights. From identifying patterns in customer behavior to optimizing business processes, data science is essential to organizations across all industries. 3. Web development. Web development is a field that combines technical and creative skills. As a web developer, you'll be building and maintaining websites and web applications. From designing user interfaces to coding complex back-end systems, you'll play a key role in the online world. 4. Database administration. Database administration is another important area in the tech industry. You'll be responsible for designing, implementing, and maintaining databases. Whether you are working with SQL, NoSQL, or other database technologies, you'll be ensuring that organizations have access to their valuable data. 5. Network and information security. Network and information security is becoming increasingly important as cyber threats continue to grow. In this role, you'll be securing networks and protecting against cyber attacks. From firewalls to encryption, you'll be responsible for keeping organizations' data safe and secure. 6. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is a rapidly growing field. As an AI or ML specialist, you'll be developing and implementing AI and ML solutions. Whether you are working on natural language processing, computer vision, or other AI applications, you'll be at forefront of this exciting technology. 7. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is another area that's transforming the tech industry. As a cloud computing specialist, you'll be designing, building, and managing cloud computing systems. From public clouds to private clouds, you'll be helping organizations move their applications and data to the cloud. 8. Mobile app development. Mobile app development is a field that's growing in popularity. As a mobile app developer, you'll be developing and designing mobile applications for smartphones and tablets. From gaming apps to productivity tools, you'll be creating the apps that people use every day. 9. Technical writing and documentation. Technical writing and documentation is a field that's often overlooked but equally important. As a technical writer, you'll be responsible for writing technical documents and manuals for software and hardware products. From user guides to technical specifications, you'll be helping organizations communicate their products to their users and customers. 10. IT management. IT management is another important career path. In this role, you'll be managing teams, budgets, and projects in the tech industry. Whether you are leading a software development team or overseeing an IT infrastructure project, you'll be responsible for ensuring that organizations are making the most of their technology investments. And that's a quick overview of the various career paths you can pursue after completing your computer science and engineering degree. From software development to IT management, the possibilities are endless. So, explore your options and find the career path that's right for you.